Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to show you how to make town portal scroll from Dota 2. If you play this game, give me a thumbs up and I hope you will like my tutorial. Also subscribe on my channel. So let's start. I take piece of white paper and I will use strong coffee to get the aging effect. We put coffee on the surface from two sides. And then need to dry in oven about 2-3 minutes. The paper acquired a yellowish color. Gently burning the edges. Just gently, that everything is not burnt. It's morning. Then take paper tubes and cut off a piece. 2 pieces. Cut inside. Roll up the paper. And insert in. Take polymer clay and make some details. Bake in oven. Fixing with super glue. And paint with gold acrylic paint. I painted in 3 layers. Thanks for watching, guys. It's short and easy tutorial. So comment the video. I want to know your opinion and see you soon. Bye.